Well, I had a customer call me and asked me to remove 2 cedar trees. So here we go. This is my first with the new Sany removing cedar tree. Cedar tree is tough. I don't want to tear nothing up up there. I'm real close on the limbs right now. I don't even know about this. I don't know about this. Wow. Let's see what we got. Let's try to. Oh wow. Look at that. Oh Lord have mercy. Lord have mercy. Wow. I think I need to bag up and try to push this thing over. I don't know. I don't know about this. I don't know about this right here. Here we go. Woo! Leave me some we got. Wow, I'm hung up in the limbs. Wow. Alright. I finally got out of the limb. Let's see what we got here. I'm gonna push on it a little bit. Oh, Lord have mercy. Oh, let me put this blade down here. See what we got. See what we got here. Oh wow, she's done. I mean, I just seen all them roots break right there. Yeah, she done. She done. Oh yeah. That's a wrap on that. That's a wrap on that, cuz. Got some freaking limbs on them. I'm gonna dig some of that dirt off there. And leave it in the hole. I'm trying to leave that dirt in the hole. Right here. Oh! Y'all feel that? Wow. We'll put that back in there. Alright. I'm gonna come around to the side right there. Y'all help a brother out, man. Help me out. You can help us out by subscribing to our channel. Old girl ain't done yet. Break some more roots right here. Yeah, we need to get some subscribers because equipment's not cheap. Oh yeah. I don't know about this YouTube YouTube stuff, but everybody else is doing it. Might as well get on board. Trying to make a living. Oh Lord, have mercy. Oh, wow. Ooh. Oh, have mercy. Alright. We're gonna, I know it's bouncy. I know that. So, hit this tree from the side. Push this back. We go up in here, push this back like that. And then we're gonna grab this tree there. It's gonna sleep. If I can even do anything with it. Probably not. Nah. Oh! I ain't got it broke loose. See, I ain't got it broke loose yet. What I'm gonna do then is I'm gonna push the top around, because I think what's not broke loose is under the roof. So we're gonna push the top around like that. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So now I can see the roof. Yeah, I think I see what's not broke. I'll put this blade down and stabilize this camera and everything. Sorry about all that commotion. Oh, you see that? Did you see that? Push that thing around there right there. I broke the roof. I know I gotta push some dirt in. I gotta push a little dirt in there. Now stump hole. You see that right there? Now, I am not. Oh, wow. Oh, yeah. That's nice. Nice. Feel up that stump hole. Turn around here. I'll come out here with the tractor and chainsaw and cut this tree up. See anything I can make out of it. I got a sawmill. I'm cutting up a few pieces of lumber out of it. Anyway, we'll move this one in. The customer will be happy. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Begging for subscribers. I need 1,000. Help us out.